Hearty welcome to all the children of class 10 to the present edition of our channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about the topic A Triumph of Surgery written by James Herriot. First, let us see the characters. Mrs. Pumphrey, the rich mistress. James Herriot, veterinary doctor. Tricky, the pet animal of Mrs. Pumphrey. Hodkin, gardener. Tristan, a worker at the surgery. Joe, greyhound, dogs at the surgery. Only these three are major characters. Mrs. Pumphrey, James Herriot and Tricky. All others very minor characters. Triumph. What is the meaning of triumph? Triumph is nothing but success. Surgery, a place where animals are treated. Triumph of surgery. So let us go to the story. Mrs. Pumphrey was a very rich mistress. She had one pet dog and she gave the name Tricky. She was so fond of it and she was taking extreme care. She was pampering, she was not caring, pampering. She was overfeeding. She just imagined it was suffering from malnutrition and she was providing malt, cod liver oil and bowls of Horlicks in between meals. The doctor was telling he should stop giving sweets, but she ignored and she told Tricky was fond of cream chocolates, cream cakes and chocolates, and she continued to provide. The doctor was so much concerned because Tricky became hugely fat. And the fault of Tricky was greed. He never refused food. He could tackle meals at any time of the day or night. And exercise also stopped. Hodkin, the gardener, became sick with lumbago. Lumbago is nothing but muscular pain. So ring throwing also stopped. No walking, no ring throwing. So doctor was so much concerned. Doctor told unless he changes the activity routine of Tricky, chances for becoming sick. After a few days, the expected call came from Mrs. Pumphrey. She informed Herriot Tricky was sick. Simply he was lying on the rug, not eating even his favorite dishes, had bouts of vomiting. The doctor rushed and told her and he should be taken to surgery for observation. And she objected, but he told there was no other way because his condition was risky. So he took the Tricky in his car, but she alerted that all her staff and she was putting so many items in the car. Morning bed, evening bed, different bowls of breakfast, lunch, dinner, his favorite toys, cushion, and she herself also threw a handful of coats through the door of the car. So when the car started, all were in tears. While moving in the car, Herriot patted the head of Tricky. It made a brave effort to wag its tail. When they reached the surgery, all the dogs at the surgery surrounded Tricky, but there was no reaction, no response from Tricky. They thought it was an uninteresting object and ignored it. Herriot arranged a bed beside other dogs for Tricky, and for 2 days he did not give anything to eat except plenty of water. At the end of second day, it started to show some interest in the surroundings. On third day, when it heard other dogs, it started to whimper. At the meals time, Tristan, the worker at the surgery, was slopping meals in the bowls for the dogs. So all the dogs came and ate. When the eating was over, Tricky started to move and started to lick one or two empty bowls. From the next day onwards, an extra bowl was put for Tricky. It started to eat along with other dogs. It started to enjoy the games, scrimmages with other dogs. It was running and it became an accepted member of the gang. So there was no medicinal treatment except its presence with other dogs and playing with them. The mistress was making dozen calls every day, inquiring about the latest bulletins at the surgery. Harriet informed he was out of danger and he was convalescing. Convalescing is nothing but improving, recovering. She sent 2 dozen eggs per day, wine and brandy, wine for lunch and brandy for dinner. All the members at the surgery were happy because they were getting eggs and liquor because of the presence of Tricky. They felt the temptation to keep Tricky as a permanent guest. Tricky became the accepted member of the gang. In 2 weeks, Tricky became lithe. Lithe is nothing but flexible and hard-muscled animal. So it was fully recovered. So Harriet informed about the recovery of Tricky and it was ready for collection. So when the mistress came, Tricky leaped and joined with its mistress. Both were happy and it started to lick the mistress Pumpkin. While moving in the car, she uttered, it was a triumph of surgery. The recovery of Tricky was a triumph of surgery. Harriet did not tell that he did not use the items given by her. Children, we know very well too much of anything is good for nothing. Already we have seen in the lesson a letter to God. Here what Mrs. Pumphrey is doing, fine mistress, but she was pampering, she was not caring. Extreme care resulted in the sickness of Tricky. James Harriet, a wonderful doctor who knows the situation, and he made Tricky all right without medicinal treatment. And what we learn from this beautiful story, we should care but not pamper. To strengthen our understanding, let us go for some questions and answers. First question, what were given to Tricky in between meals? Answer, some malt, cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks. Let us go to second question. What was the fault of Tricky? Greed. He never refused food. He could tackle meals at any time of the day or night. For how many days the doctor wanted to keep Tricky at the surgery for observation? Answer is a fortnight. Let us go to fourth question. After 2 weeks at the surgery, what was the transformation in Tricky? And without medicinal treatment, the dog became a lithe. Lithe is nothing but flexible and hard-muscled animal. Let us go to the last question. What was the remark of the mistress at the end? The recovery of Tricky was a triumph of surgery. Children, please check the description box for notes of this video. Thank you.